Hello everyone, this is Unit 13 here on Scene at the Homestead. I want to show you this KYWI magazine insert. It's a, it's an Esstac 556 KYWI. That's Kilo, Yankee, Whiskey, India. And that's short for KYWI wedge insert. It's designed to go into one of their pouches that has Velcro. That way it holds it inside their pouch better, because their pouch mouths are formed to be open. I use this one on these military surplus 3-slot side-by-side pouches. I use them on that. Here. They work really good. They really hold those in. I haven't had them slip out at all. You can see that you've got a P-mag here. They work really well with the P-mag. Everything comes in and out better when it's actually, this setup is actually on my person. They work well with the P-mags, and then these toy magazines that I like a lot, because the toy magazines are just about the same dimension as original GI magazines. So that makes them fit into a lot more pouches, whereas this P-mag's a lot more big and bulky. Anyway, these are my favorites. That's what I use. And you can see here in this shake test that they hold in those pouches really well. I purchased these from SKD Tactical. The website will show up on the screen here. Purchased them I got them for $7 a piece. It looks like the price here is still $7 as of the posting of this video. I really like them. They seem to hold up well. I haven't used them for years, but I think I have enough use out of them to be pretty happy with them. Okay, looks like I've covered everything in my notes. This is Unit 13. I'm out.
Allendale 7 Bravo, Rescue 07, responding to a trouble breathing at 836 Northwest 10th Street, Apartment 2, reference to a 62-year-old male conscious and breathing, 1832.